All right. So today we're doing a 8Q Sum the Strings. It's by K. Calderon ASC. We've already had one of his before. Pretty good. Or hers. We'll see. Or not. 91% of the people liked it. And what we're going to do is create a function that takes two integers in form of a string as an input and outputs the sum also as a string. Okay, so it's going to be two strings, two numbers that are in strings, and then it's going to output another string. All right. Notes. If either input is an empty string, consider it as 0. Okay. So that's a 0, and that's also 0. Inputs and the expected output will never exceed the signed 32-bit integer limit. That huge number. Yeah. Cool. So yeah, let's do this real quick. So what are we going to do? First, we got to look at what we got to do up here. So this is going to be a string. We could use a string object, which is string object is used to represent and manipulate a sequence of characters. And then it has another description. But we're not going to read that. I'm not going to read that. Basically, you put string in front of something and it turns it into a string. So somewhere it says, it's got to say it on there somewhere. Right there. Boom. You put string in front of something and it makes it a string. Well, there we go. So, and then here is prototype object.prototype.toString, which I like also. The toString method returns a string representing the object. So, yeah, Gabby, dog toString, output Gabby. I don't know how that works either. Anyway, if it was like, I'm thinking more like, anyway, I'm not going to do that. Whatever. I know that if you do this here, it'll come out a string. So we'll do that. So we got to return something, and what we're going to return, I think we'll do the string first. String, and what we're going to do here is we're going to turn the A and the B, which are both the inputs, into numbers. So we do plus sign A, because that turns it into a number somehow. One day I'll look that up, but I don't know what that's called. And searching stuff when you don't know what it's called is very taxing. But yeah, look. You turn them both into numbers because they come in as strings, and then you add them together, and then you turn them back into strings. Test works. Personally, I know that's fewer letters, but I like .toString. Also, test. What? Well, I guess I was wrong anyway. Well, I'm a dum-dum. It doesn't matter. I was right the first time. String. Why is that? Why is that? Anyway, I'll have to research that later. Anyway, all right. Oh, that works. And here we go. It works. All right. I know I did something earlier. I don't know what it was, though. Anyway, I thought I did it. Anyway, whatever. It doesn't matter. My solutions. 593 more warriors. Nobody's voting in best practice. I think it's the best practice. And there we go. And I liked it. And thanks, K. Calderon, ASC. And we'll see y'all next time.